Welcome to the city of Langley, where you're right in the heart of the city center. With a diverse multicultural, a vibrant city that is rapidly growing, and incredible amenities where you have schools, parks, shopping centers, and restaurants. Welcome to my newest listings with a 3-story, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhouse. Unit 7, 19628 55A Avenue, Langley. Come check out this home with me. Let's go.
My name is Anton Nguyen with EXP Realty, and this home here is priced to sell. If you want more details or book a private tour, reach out to me now at 604-338-5562.